To show today's schedule when you tap the clock on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap widget. And then tap the gray on offset next to today's schedule until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go to your lock screen. Tap the clock. You can see that your today's schedule will be displayed here. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.